Welcome to the Young Trombone page. This is not necessarily for young people or kids, but this is for anyone who is just getting started out working with the trombone. Alright, so we are looking at Tradition of Excellence. Number 6 is an exercise you do on your own. That's where you write in the bass clef using your pencil. Get used to that. So when it comes time for you to compose something, you have the basics of how to make the bass clef and then hopefully treble clef, because if you do some composing, you'll need to know those. And we won't worry about the other clefs yet. Deep breaths, number 7. This is the first time you're going to have 2 of the same note in a row without having that measure between to reset. So here we go. Starting on a D. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. And moving on to number 8 now. All right, so careful of your breath marks in there. Number 8 is clap the rhythm before you play. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we are, number 8, playing on a D. Now, switching over, dropping things. All right, so we're on half note rock. Main thing, as you're getting used to these for the first time, is to remember. Oh.
Hello, Moto.
Hello. All right, so that was a phone call from my wife. Apparently our contractor is going to be able to come over tomorrow and start work on our new patio. And always take calls from your wife. So here's number 9. 3 half notes in a row, 1 breath. And then when you have the next set of notes, you have the E flat, 8 beats, 1 breath, no pauses between them. Nice, smooth playing, but you are using your tongue. So I shouldn't hear. But you want. And here we go, number 9. 1, 2, always count. Now, number 10 will be next. sight reading challenge. Let's see. All right, this is called Steppin. Always carefully inspect music before you sight read it. Always carefully inspect music before you play it, whether you've played it before or not. You might find that you were missing something in your practice session. 1, 2, 3, and... And that'll do it for this video. Thank you. Thank you for checking out my trombone tutorial page. I appreciate it and look forward to seeing you again next time.